Anyway, this next song's going to feature our bass player, Mr. Markus Karlsen, on some vocals, so look out for that. This one's called Nashville Cats. Nashville cats
play clean as country water.
Nashville cats
Play wild as Mountain Dew.
Those Nashville cats
Have been playing since they was babies.
Nashville cats
Getting work before they're two.
Well, there's 1,352 guitar pickers in Nashville, and they pick more notes than a number of ants on a Tennessee anthill. Oh, there's 1,352 guitar cases in Nashville. Any one of them picks a guitar can play twice as better than I will. Nashville cats
Play clean as country water.
Nashville cats
Play wild as Mountain Dew.
Those Nashville cats
Have been playing since they was babies.
Nashville cats
Getting work before they're two.
Well, I was just 13, you might say I was a musical proverbial knee-high, and I heard a couple new sound tunes on a tube and it blasted me sky high. And the record man said everyone is a Yellow Sun record from Nashville. Up north ain't nobody buys him. I said, but I will. Nashville cats
Play clean as country water.
Nashville cats
Play wild Mountain Dew.
Those Nashville cats
Been playing since they was babies.
Nashville cats
Getting work before they're two.
There's 26,821 mothers in Nashville. All the friends play music and they ain't uptight if one of the kids will. For it's customary to be mother's son to be a guitar picker in Nashville. And I sure am glad I got the chance to say a word about the music and the mothers from Nashville. Nashville cats
Play clean as country water.
Nashville cats
Play wild as Mountain Dew.
Those Nashville cats
Been playing since they was babies.
Nashville cats
Getting work before they're two.